Hi all, Simon Toohey here, brand ambassador for Dilmah tea. And today I'm gonna make you a delicious, probably my favorite cocktail with a twist, the sherry cobbler, using Dilmah teas, rose and French vanilla. Brings out beautiful, herbaceous florality to this cocktail. And I think contrasting that with dry sherry, it's gonna work perfectly. So follow me with this one. Be sure to get ready to make this at home. Add your wedge of lemon and your wedge of orange into the tin. Then, break open a beautiful Dilmah, rose and French vanilla tea and pour that on top. And finally add your sugar, get a muddling stick and then muddle that away. You want to release all the oils and juices from that lemon and orange, and then that flavor from the rose and French vanilla tea will then permeate through the drink once that's mixed all together. When you've done that, add your slug of sherry. You want a Fino sherry. It is the perfect combination for this drink, so pour that in. Go to your freezer, grab your cubed ice and put it in a tea towel. Roll that up, get your muddling stick and bash that ice until you create crushed ice. Open the tea towel up, take out the ice and put it into your glass. Fill it to the top, not all the way, but nearly there, but reserve some for later because you want to top it off to create a beautiful heightened drink. Bring that cocktail back to you, put ice into your cocktail shaker and shake like crazy. You want that sherry, that lemon, that orange, that sugar, and then finally that Dilmah rose and French vanilla tea to mix together, to completely combine. And then when that's done, take the shaker apart and really beautifully pour it over the crushed ice into that beautiful tall Collins glass and watch it sort of sink to the bottom and slowly rise as it makes its way down like a maze through the glass. Top it now with the rest of the crushed ice that you had on your tea towel, make it nice and high, put a beautiful straw in there, and then cut another wedge of lemon, cut another wedge of orange, and if you have any, grab some beautiful dried rose petals, put them on top of the crushed ice, make it look beautiful. My Dilmah rose and French vanilla cobbler. Cheers.